In this video, I'm going to show you 5 little-known advanced fat-burning exercises that you can use starting today to get even better results right there at home. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now today I want to show you 5 little-known exercises that can help you get even better results at home. These are advanced, full-body, fat-burning exercises that's going to help you burn a lot more calories, but that will also make your workouts a little bit more fun and more exciting, especially if they've become a little bit boring. So what I want to do is quickly show you these 5 exercises, and then afterwards I will teach you exactly how to use these 5 exercises and how to incorporate it with your current workout program starting today to get even better results. So there you go. As you can see, some of them are pretty tough and pretty advanced. So make sure you check a technique out and you do them properly so you don't injure yourself. And make sure you warmed up before you even attempt any of these. But how do you actually use these and incorporate it into your current workout program to help you get even better results? The first and easiest way is to simply take any one of these 5 exercises and use them as a finisher exercise. So you just do it at the end of your workout for 5 minutes or so, and you can just use a simple Tabata protocol, go for 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds, and you go for 5 minutes. That's the simplest way. You can also replace any of your current full body big compound exercises with any one of these exercises if you have that in your current workout program. And then the third way is you can use this to completely create your own workout program if you have that skill set, or if you have a trainer, you can say, hey, use some of these exercises in my next workout program. Obviously, if you've ever used any of my challenges like the 6-week 6-pack express challenge, you will have seen some of these workouts in there as well. So that's another option for you as well. But guys, those are the 3 easiest ways to start using these 5 advanced fat burning exercises to not just get better results, but to also make your workouts a little bit more fun if they've become a bit boring and stale. So there you go, guys. Now you have 5 brand new exercises to try out over the weekend and in your home workout programs. As always, once you've given them a try or you have any questions, put it in the comments box and let's have a chat. And please subscribe if you're not a member already and you want to get continuously high quality content like this on a weekly basis. And then as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.